Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best Solutions English Classes. Today I am going to start new topic adjectives जिसे हम हिंदी में विशेषण भी कहते हैं. So what is an adjective? An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. An adjective can help us express physical and other qualities such as tall, good, perceptions and opinions such as smart, angry, degree or extent means full or incomplete. It tells about the frequency such as daily, yearly and about place, rural, external, etc. Adjectives can be used in two types. First type is attributive adjective. When we use an adjective before the noun or pronoun that it modifies, this type is called an attributive adjective. For example, she is a famous singer. Here you will get an adjective word famous before the noun word singer. So this is the example of attributive adjective. Second type is predicative adjective. When we place an adjective after the noun or pronoun that it modifies. This type is called a predicative adjective. For example, the singer is famous. Here the noun word singer is given in the beginning and you will get the adjective word after the verb. So it is called predicative adjective. Now we will learn about kinds of adjectives. First kind is descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. So adjective of quality describes the nature or characteristics of a person, animal or thing. For example, it is a heavy box. In this adjective word heavy is telling the quality of a box. How the box is? Box is heavy. In the second sentence, Ram is an intelligent boy. Here the word intelligent is telling the quality of a noun word that is Ram. So both are the examples of descriptive or adjective of quality. Second type is demonstrative adjective. So an adjective used to point out a person, animal or thing is known as demonstrative adjective. The demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these and those. For example, these stories are very interesting. So I am pointing out here about the stories. Which stories? These stories. So this is the example of demonstrative adjective. Now we will see third kind of adjective, that is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows that something belongs to someone, means it shows ownership. My, your, our, his, her, its and their are the possessive adjectives. For example, this is his house. Here his word is showing the ownership, the possession of house. Whose house? His house. So this is the example of possessive adjective. Here I want to clear this point, that how will you make difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun, and possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. So we can easily say that demonstrative and possessive adjectives are placed before the nouns that they modify. For example, this is my book. So here my is the possessive adjective that came before the noun word book. So it is an example of possessive adjective. And in the possessive pronoun you will see the example, this book is mine. So possessive pronouns generally come at the end of a sentence. Second example, this book is really boring. So this word is demonstrating the book. So it is the example of demonstrative adjective. And in the second sentence you will get, this is the book I bought yesterday. So here in this sentence, this is used as the demonstrative pronoun. Now in the fourth kind of adjective we will see quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity indicates the amount of a noun but do not indicate an exact number. It mostly describes uncountable nouns such as some, many, much and so on. For example, I ate some rice. Here we cannot count rice. So I have used here quantitative adjective, that is some. Number 5 kind of adjective is numeral adjective. It gives the number of a noun or shows the place of a noun in a sequence. For example, she has 10 dresses. How many dresses she has? She has 10 dresses, means I am telling you about the number of dresses. So this is the example of numeral adjective. Numeral adjectives are two types: definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective shows the certain number of persons or things. For example, I have 5 shirts. So I am telling the certain number of shirts, that is 5. Definite numeral adjectives are 3 types. First type is cardinal. Cardinal means it shows the number 1, 2, 3 like this. Second type is ordinal. It shows the order or sequence such as first, second, fourth, etc. And third type is multiplicative. It shows multiplication or division of any noun. For example, double, triple, twice, etc. Definite numeral adjective shows uncertain number of persons or things such as all, some, enough, none, many, few, several. For example, all men must work hard. Here I am not talking about certain number of men. I am telling all men. So it is the example of indefinite numeral adjective. Sixth kind of adjective is an interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. For example, what, which, whose and so on. In the sentence form, we can say, whose pen is this? In this interrogative sentence, we are getting whose word with the noun word pen. So this is the example of interrogative adjective. Seventh kind of adjective is distributive adjective. It describes specific members out of a group, or it describes that the persons, things named are taken separately, such as every, each, any. For example, each boy has got a candy. So I am talking here about each boy of the class. So I have used here the distributive adjective each. Next kind of adjective is proper adjective. Proper adjective comes from a proper noun and it describes a thing by referring to the proper noun, such as Chinese, Indian, Bengali, etc. And the last kind of adjective is an emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing adjective is used to lay stress on the noun that comes after it. For example, very, on and so on. सरल शब्दों में कहें तो emphasizing adjective noun पर जोर देकर अपनी बात कहने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. In the example form we can see I did it with my own hands. Own word is used before the noun hands, and it is laying stress on the word hands. How I did it? I did it with my own hands. So it is an example of emphasizing adjective. At the last, we will see formation of adjectives. Adjectives can be formed by the noun, by verbs, and by adjectives also. Adjectives can be formed with the help of some suffixes such as able, full, less, ish, why, etc. For example, beautiful, peaceful, comfortable, angry, childish, like this. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and share it, and give your comments and likes also. Thank you.